Okay, this problem deals with finding the square root using the square root method and solving the equation using the square root method. Okay, so we're going to solve the quadratic equation using the square root method. So this is the only method that you could use when it's in this format. I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, can y'all see that? Okay, so the first step is to do what? Take the square root on both sides. What's going to happen is this is going to cancel out the square and leave you what on the left? What's going to be left over? X minus 7, and the parentheses are now gone. What's the square root of 9?
3.
Plus and minus 3. So there's two answers. Right? Whenever you're solving a quadratic equation, there's always going to be two answers. So make sure you put the plus and minus. Okay? What's the inverse of subtraction? So we're going to add 7 to both sides. What's 3 plus 7? 10. What's negative 3 plus 7? What's negative 3 plus 7? What is it?
4.
It's 4. So x is going to be equal to 4. So these are your two answers. And that's how you solve a quadratic equation using the square root method. That's it.
So how do I write that? How do I type that in Delta Math?
This has nothing to do with Delta Math. This is from the what? From the review, right? Isn't this from the packet?
Yeah, he said it was like a random number.
You're supposed to be doing what's on the packet, sir. Is this on the packet right now?
No, I just took out some numbers.